Welcome. Today I will tell you what do you mean by the term rate parity and why it is important to maintain rate parity. Rate parity is a term that basically means keeping hotel prices consistent no matter where you look. Imagine you are searching for a hotel online and you check different websites like GoMMT, Booking.com, ClearTrip, and more. If all those websites show the same prices for a particular hotel, it's in rate parity. Let's break it down a bit. When a hotel is in rate parity, it's like saying they keep the prices identical on all these different websites, no matter which one you use. So, if you see a rate on a travel website like Booking.com, you can expect to find the same price on the hotel's official website too. This might sound a bit technical, but it's important for hotel owners. Why? Because rate parity affects how hotels set their prices, manage their revenue, and make money overall. It's like a big puzzle where everything needs to fit together perfectly. Now, when a hotel is out of rate parity, it means they're not keeping things consistent. Imagine finding a rate on one website, but then realizing the price is way lower on another site or the hotel's own page. If you have already booked on the higher price, you will be hurt and question the integrity of the brand. Understanding rate parity is crucial for hoteliers as it impacts pricing strategies, revenue management, and overall profitability. So, whether you are a hotel general manager or revenue manager, rate parity is the key to making sure everyone gets a fair shot at the same prices, no matter which online channel they choose. But rate parity as a term only affects published rate, which is visible to the customer directly. A hotel may have different pricing for corporate travelers or offline travel agents who bundle rates with other services. So if a travel agent offers a package for a room, transport and city tour, they may have negotiated a different rate from the hotel. That negotiated rate does not come under the rate parity guidelines. Now let me tell you why rate parity is important. Rate parity ensures that your guests receive a consistent pricing message, no matter where they decide to make your booking. This consistency is like a stamp of approval for the brand's integrity. It means they won't be scratching your head, wondering why the same room costs more on one platform than on another. It just makes the whole booking process smoother. Think of rate parity as a fair playground for all booking platforms. It means that no single platform gets an unfair pricing advantage. This is important because it helps hotels figure out which platforms are most profitable without the confusion of different prices. So, you get a level playing field, and businesses can focus on providing quality service rather than playing with pricing tricks. Imagine booking a great deal on one platform and then finding out your friend got a better deal on another. That wouldn't be cool, right? Rate parity solves this issue. When prices are consistent, it builds trust with customers. You don't need to waste time shopping around for the best deal because you know you are getting the same price everywhere. This also fosters loyalty to a specific booking platform, and you remember the hotel's name more than the booking platform. In a nutshell, rate parity is not just about keeping prices the same. It's about making your booking experience hassle-free, ensuring fair competition, building trust, and helping hotels manage their revenue effectively. So, remember the importance of rate parity for a smoother and more reliable hotel booking experience.